T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have main engine start. We have liftoff. What's up, guys? My light bulb on the right hand side is out, and I'm going to make the video darker here so you can see it. When I press the brake, see the one on the left side lights up, but the right side doesn't. At the bottom. And that's how the lights look, guys. You basically just pull this, just pull this flap back out the way, and look at your light bulbs right there. And I guess it's this one. So that's this bulb right here, guys. My bad, that's this one. Those two bulbs came to 10 bucks, so I got a spare. And I thought this one was bad. This is the other one. That's for the middle. It's a 921, and these two were $7. So yeah, the Camry is really easy to work on. Lights in the back, real easy. The front lights might be a little harder though, but anyway. And there's that bulb right there, guys. And all you have to do is just turn it counterclockwise, and it'll come right out of there. Real easy. That back right here, and I think it's this one. Just twist it counterclockwise, and bam, pull the bulb out. I hope that's the right one. I got these from Advanced Auto. 2-pack was $10. So let me see. So yeah, guys, here's one thing. These bulbs has 2 filaments in there. So it lights when you press the brake, another light comes on. So yeah. Good as new. You can see them both lighting up now. Too easy. Have a great day, and thanks for watching the Big Brian Show. Peace out.